Hey Beach City fans, Lily coming back at you live from day one of Techsauce Global Summit. I'm here with my new friend Yadu, who's founder of Tsaitung. How are you doing today?
I'm very well, thank you.
Yeah. So we were just chatting about your startup and about this crazy growth you guys are hoping to achieve this year. But before we dive into that, tell us what's the product? What's the solution?
Okay, so Tsaitung is a platform that connects farmers to restaurants in Taiwan. And we started actually around 2 years ago and started from one single man, which was me, and to around 15 people right now at this moment.
Yeah, and so when I asked you, said, are you going to reach 30 people by the end of the year? And you said you're going to more than double, right? You're going for 40.
Yes, actually we have doubled our revenue and volume we serve to restaurants since February already. So we are aiming on a very aggressive plan. That's why we not just grow in Taiwan, we are aiming to help to expand the model to Asia.
All right. So tell us about the background of yourself or the company then, right? Like how did you come to create this solution?
Oh, okay. So my background is quite different. Actually, I was engineering undergrad, and then I spent a lot of years in logistics and also supply chain with Procter & Gamble. So I also with a few global company. And actually, I went to do my graduate study in Michigan, just where I come across agriculture. I started one company, it's a baby food company in the States. And then I have to move back to Taiwan, so I started my second company, which is this one. Yep, this is a few magic in the journey, so that lead me to agriculture.
Right. So, one of the things that we talk about at Beach City is, what are the problems we're solving here, right? And so by providing this logistical solution, you guys are helping to eliminate one of the big problems of agricultural waste, right? And also helping people to live, I guess, like better, happier, healthier lifestyles with what they're eating.
Yeah, definitely.
Right?
So right now in agriculture, not just in Taiwan, but in Asia as a whole, facing a very, very old model of agricultural supply chain.
Right.
And we want to, make it very simple and very efficient using new data technology, internet technology, so that the supply chain can become very simple and actually reduce not just waste, but also improve the efficiency across the supply chain that also benefit the supply and demand side.
All right. And so, given this change, right? So you guys are here exhibiting in Bangkok at Techsauce Global Summit, right? So you want to, you're planning this big push into the rest of Asia.
Yep.
So what are some of the interesting challenges or opportunities that really excite you about this new push?
Okay, so basically there are two. The first challenge for us, I think it's very common for most of the startup in the very traditional industries,
right,
are getting talents.
Okay.
Okay, so most talents found that in traditional industry are very unsexy, and we have to position ourselves that we create the value for the society. So it's actually a social calling for the technology, not just the technology or the monetary hype for them.
Sure.
Yeah, and also we are here to meet with a few investors so that they could provide the local connection to us. Agriculture is a very, very localized business. We want to find the very strategic partners that in different countries, so we can get involved much quickly.
All right, so that's super cool. People don't usually think of the agricultural industry as being super tech forward.
Yeah.
But this is where somebody with your brains and your expertise can actually come in and make a real impact, right?
True.
Because it's so in need of that change.
Yeah, exactly. So we are very excited about bringing the technology, especially agriculture in Taiwan and most part in Asia, have been lacking of innovation for decades. And we are very excited to bring new data, AI capability to make the industry revive again.
All right, that's super cool. Thank you so much for taking the time to chat with us today, Yadu.
Thank you too.
Yeah. So if people want to find out more about Tsaitung, where should they go?
So it's www.tsaitung.com.
All right, excellent.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
So more awesome and diverse and innovative founders, we're going to be chatting with them here at Techsauce Global Summit. Our Beach City content is brought to you by True Digital Park.